this is Kavya. Good evening, sir. This is Kavya and she is my partner Lalita. Karabar teacher Rameshwari ma'am. We are from Good Shepherd English Medium School. Welcome to our project Rover Without Driver. This is an unmanned vehicle which can move without the help of a human. This can be used in some places where disaster have already took place. For example, take Bhopal gas tragedy. In such conditions, about 20 to 30 miles around the station, poisonous gases were spread out. Maybe there are some survivors who are in critical conditions, but we cannot go and save them as there are some poisonous gases. So in such conditions, we can use these types of rovers which can move without the help of humans. So whenever we set it over the path and press go button, it starts sensing and following the path.
Even if it deviates also, it automatically comes onto the right path. And there may come a chance where any obstacle also comes. And a buzzer is given with the intention of not having any living creature. After that, the obstacle avoiding mechanism does its work. And as we told you that it is an unmanned vehicle, so it need not require any human help to stop. So for that, a reference point is provided. This is a type of transmitter.
This can be placed at the destination point. Whenever the vehicle passes by that, it stops automatically. And the people there get unload all the material in that. And again when they press the go button, they start moving again. These are many secondary
Put it on
purposes.
somewhere else. Put it on somewhere else.
This can be used for any other secondary purposes also, like transporting the material to hazardous places like forests and deserts, to supply the daily needs to army and borders, helps humans in places where human access is limited, and to transport things to contaminated areas, that is diseased areas where some contagious diseases or epidemics can spread, and to carry the radioactive materials from nuclear power stations instead of humans to protect them from radiations of the materials as they are one of the carcinogenic
What is that? It is making something like some obstacle. It's removing some obstacle. No? Can you make it once again? Put one more obstacle. So it clears off. So what is the, yeah, you can switch it off because battery is running out. So in fact, where is the best application of this
In disaster areas,
other than disaster?
And to carry some radioactive materials in nuclear power armies. But because if a normal vehicle goes and some attack is did on that person, then the driver may lose his life and the weapons won't be reaching the army. So they may also lose their lives.
I think this is very useful in snow falling areas.
Yes.
Because snow falling, the road lines are there.
Yes.
It will follow the line and clears off the snow because snow is an obstacle for that.
Sir, in the hazardous and where the human access is limited.
So nice. And once it is charged, how long it works?
It depends upon the battery
The battery is there. Some battery you use, no?
2.5 hours it will use. 8 hours charging is required, sir.
Okay. And do you know how much power is stored in the battery? What is the battery you have used in the project?
12-volt battery.
That is voltage, but I am asking you power. What is the power? Because initially I talk about power in the battery. Electrical power, that is nothing but energy. I don't talk about only voltage or current. I talk about power, energy. So, how much energy is stored in the battery? So that it is sufficient enough to run for such a lifetime. So, have you calculated, have you seen the battery, how much power it can store?